always about me. It has to be about the movie.
Product.
Picture चलेगी तो तुम चलोगे. So it is always about the movie.
कुछ ग्रेटनेस की अर्ली साइन दिखी थी कभी?
Yes.
क्या थी?
मेरे को तो I तो loved him because वो मैं उसको कुछ भी बोलती थी करने को वो करता था. वो कार्टविल भी ले रहा था. वो ये that he would come and help out. Then he knew about cinema. He was not just there for himself. He knew कि एंगल कौन सा लगना है, क्या करना है. And of course when we saw the movie तो and so we became friends. Immediately ऐसा लगा अरे ये तो मेरे कॉलेज का फ्रेंड है. You know तब भी वो गौरी को लेके आया था, शादी हुई थी उसकी. तो she also came for a honeymoon to Goa. So we used to all go. तभी का गोवा बहुत डिफरेंट था. बीच पे शैक्स होते थे वहीं हम लोग जाकर. तो but very sharp, very we could discuss books I think. So all that was there. After that I think after कभी ना he literally जब वो फिल्म करता था he would say कि फारा को ले लो. You know, he used to hate that 80s style of dancing.
He wanted something modern, fresh.
हाँ तो उसका ना I remember him telling me very clearly कि वो कोई गाना कर रहा था जिसमें कोई तो लाइन थी तुझे रब ने बनाया मेरे लिए and he said the choreographer told me रब करो रब ने बनाया
मतलब you know because I now know you and I know Karan sir, I can understand his personality. I can understand.
अरे so three of us are thick as thieves. हम लोग तो मैं तो सोलो ही थी तभी. Single and Karan was there, so we used to spend nights in Shahruk's house playing games or just gossiping, chatting. 3-4 बजे तक जाता है हमारे स्कूल. We okay with not
sleeping early.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही conversations random.
shoot पे क्या हुआ. And then after that I've done so much work with Shahrukh. There's a good 9-10 years of my career जब मैंने सिर्फ mostly I think 75% शाहरुख के साथ काम किया.
Distantly ना आप तीनों को देखकर आप करण जोहर शाहरुख खान कुछ ऐसे हैं आप तीनों का पास
हो सकता है.
Do you feel that?
मेरे को मुझे ने बोला भी था, मैंने शाहरुख को भी बोला था. Someone has said I was his mother and passed away. And she always tell me that you remind me of my mom because she was also very feisty and she was like set pay. Not set pay but when she used to work she was like a
reminiscent शब्द होता है. How are you feeling about reminiscing?
I'm missing the old days.
सादगी of 90s.
Yeah. अभी भी we meet once a month, twice a month we go. I'll call Gauri, she'll keep a dinner. But ऐसा नहीं है अभी. Till we see when you work together, there's a different energy.
I have feeling Shahrukh Khan is watching this. Hi Shahrukh, so love you more than anything in the world. And
me too.
Yeah.
Do I hate that term? But me too. तूने मेरे को बोला था तू एलियंस के बारे में बात करेगा. तो एलियंस तो only talking about aliens of Bollywood.
क्या जानना आपको एलियंस के बारे में?
मतलब I know that you are very into it.
Occult, aliens, सब कुछ. I love it. I love exploring these things क्योंकि ये इतने out of reality चीज़ें हैं.
But
क्या it will expand your creativity.
Yeah, aliens I'm obsessed with.
Why?
Because from childhood. क्योंकि वो जो भी हम सुनते थे. My first movie which I saw which I really blew my mind was Close Encounters of the Third Kind. That was the best one.
Steven Spielberg.
Yeah.
Nice.
जब Spielberg entertaining पिक्चरें बनाता था. अब तो वो भी everyone is.
His last great film was Ready Player One. बहुत सही है. Highly recommended. It's a film on future of social media mixed with gaming. Very interesting. Good film.
Animated.
Yeah, half animated. Like borderline half animated, half real, but very good story.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's referenced in a lot of tech podcasts. कि ये future of gaming plus future social media. But in back to aliens.
Back to aliens.
There's a narrative of Spielberg being working with like CIA and FBI to normalize the whole aliens culture in that people. कि हाँ ये है करके.
Conspiracy theory अमेरिका से सीखे यार सच्ची. My son just told me Epstein is not dead. I said please shut up.
Yeah, we live in some wild times.
Full conspiracy theories.
आपके all time कुछ favorite films बताओ.
मेरे बहुत सारे फेवरेट फिल्म हैं. बैक टू द फ्यूचर या सिंगिंग इन द रेन वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट मूवीज. शोले. फिर अभी रिसेंटली तो पैरासाइट. आई लव it was so relatable and it was so new, you know. और वो सडनली उनको बीच में कुछ और भी हो जाता है, तो बेसमेंट में भी से कोई, so it was all very
well made.
well made and well, like you could feel, I could empathize.
Narrative of the times.
Yes.
I visualize.
अरे उनका बड़ा घर हमारे बड़े घर से क्या ही था। मैं बोला अच्छा ये इतना ये दिल्ली आके देखो, अभी तो कहते रहते हैं।
I just visualize Dilip का element in Parasite.
Oh like that. That's why I empathize.
आपके और दिलीप के ऑफ कैमरा कॉन्वर्सेशंस क्या होते हैं?
क्या खाने में क्या है, कुछ भी हो, 6 बजे मेरे को फ़ोन आता ही आता है। और मैंने बोला कि मैं ऑस्कर भी मुझे अगर मिल रहा होगा तो करेक्ट फ़ोन 6 बजे आएगा। आज खाने में क्या बनाऊंगा। आज लाइक अभी इतने साल हो गए, कुछ बना ले यार अपने आप से कुछ।
He enjoys the fame now.
I think he's enjoying the money, the financial security.
But he understands he's famous and all that.
I think so. You all keep telling him, no, everywhere we go.
He's a cult icon now at this point.
That all he doesn't understand.
Would you cast him in your next film?
I don't think so. He's no.
You want to make more films?
Yes, I want to make maybe one movie.
One more. ऐसे क्यों?
मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता है पिक्चर बनाने में, और फिर उसके बाद में बहुत टाइम तक गुल हो जाती हूँ। देन आई विल डू ओके एटलीस्ट one like the ultimate one.
But कहना क्या?
देखो कोई भी फिल्म में कुछ नहीं कहना होता है। मेरे को जब मजा आता है मैं बना देती हूँ, और वो मैं कभी नहीं सोच के जाती हूँ कि ये फिल्म का मैसेज ये है। एंड सो मेनी टाइम नाउ पीपल डू थीसिस ऑन ओम शांति ओम एंड जैसे ये सोच के ये किया होगा, लाइक नहीं हमने ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बट वो ऐसा भी हो सकता है।
So it's just a fun process. It's
It's a fun process. It's I like the story and then and Meta I think just वो हो गया। हमने थोड़ी सोचा था कि वो 20 साल के बाद लोग ऐसा कि सबकी नहीं होती लकी, वो भी कुछ Meta someone told me and I didn't get it only.
Okay. Would you like to reminisce about Om Shanti?
I would not like to, but would you like to?
No, I want to.